Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I will start my speech, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Nazaruddin. I'm from class RSR 2413B. My course is Bachelor in Sport Management. The topic that I choose for this speech is addressing plastic pollution in our community. But before that, I will tell you about little bit by my speech. Imagine this: every minute the equivalent of garbage truck loads into our oceans, disrupting marine life and ecosystem. This is our hard reality. Today we are here to address pressing issue in plastic pollution in our community. Without wasting any time, let's jump into this.